Starting a new day. This is our first stop of the day. Here it is. We stopped at the, where we stop at? Jackrabbit Ranch?
Jackrabbit Trading Post.
I kind of blocking. We're gonna get, or she's gonna get on that big rabbit and take a picture. I ain't. It's not much here. It's yeah, it's pretty cool. You should stop and check it out.
We haven't been inside yet. We don't know what it looks like.
She's gonna go in and get her stamp for a little book, and it's pretty much all you see right here. As you can tell, it's slim, but we're gonna go check it out. We'll be back. Tell everybody where we are.
We're at the Navajo County Historical Society. It's tourist information.
Tourist information.
Yep.
Anyhow, we'll go ahead and check it out. Holbrook?
Holbrook, Arizona.
This place is pretty awesome. I want to check out this old jail. This jail was last used in 1976. The courthouse was built in 1898. A total of $15,000, including a $3,000 jail. We're done reading. Well, I'm gonna check this out. Wow. Pretty neat. There's how you unlocked all the cells. Look at all these drones on the wall. Like the jail, you know, people that was in jail here did. Oh. Yeah, that's a little rough.
Oh my gosh. That was their shower room too.
Yep. Trying to find a hole I can get. There you go. That's the best I can do, folks, because the way these bars are designed, I can't get a good view in there. Wow.
This is serious.
Maybe. Ooh, that's no. Pretty neat. Viewing some of the exhibits in this museum. The whole courthouse, I'm assuming, is a museum because she said every room. Oh, yeah, she got her Route 66 certificate. Oh, it's blurry for some reason. There you go. I got my case from Route 66 certificate. Accomplishment.
Yeah. So it means we stopped at least 7 different attractions across the Arizona Route 66.
Mm-hmm. So if you haven't done it, you should do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, these look safe. Where's the money? This must be a general delivery stamps. Oh, this is one of the first post offices, the 1900s. So your little mailbox is right out the window. They give you a stamp or two. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got the old wagon. How old is this courthouse? How old is the courthouse?
Oh, 1800s is the building.
1800s? It's pretty rickety, ain't it? I know the ceiling looks a little rickety. And the floors are creaky. Might capture a ghost. Might capture a ghost in here.
I love how you just put all your weight on it. Stop it.
It didn't mean to move.
It does.
Get a ghost. There's something standing behind you. Oh, rickety crickety floor. Bam, where that old crooked judge used to sit. Right there. Guilty as charged. They probably are originally from Lowe's. There's the judge. We're in the judge and court reporter's library. Oh, looks like a medieval torture device. It's a wooden book press. Historical, do not touch the books. It says it everywhere. I didn't want to touch them anyway. So yeah, this whole courthouse has pretty much been turned into a museum of sorts. I'm assuming all this was originally being used. I don't know. I feel like it was. I'm gonna see a ghost. Oh wow. All the different recording devices, typewriters, adding machines. Yeah. Where's the lie detector test? It wasn't me, I swear it wasn't me. What's this, sales pads?
This is a register.
No, I was reading.
It's a cash machine.
Yes, I need to get new registration for the camper, please. We've said the clerk's office right here. Listen here. Oh. You might want to think about taking a shower because you look a little dusty in the face there, I can tell you that. Hey, horsey. This is a jury room. They're guilty. Every one of them's guilty. Like a Civil War, maybe? No. I don't know what that is. Here's some, like Rangers. No, I don't know. They don't label them. Ooh, Division 2 chambers. The judge slept here, I guess. Interesting. The judge had a lot of women's clothing. I'm not trying to say anything there, but seems odd. It said judge's chambers and there's nothing but women's clothing in there. Ready then.
And that animal can see me, I won't get an idea of its natural behaviors.
Petrified Forest has placed wildlife cameras throughout the park. Activated by motion detection, the cameras enable the staff to collect data about the different animals that visit the area.
By looking carefully, we can also get a general health indicator of the animal, whether it looks healthy or whether it's sick. One of the most important studies that we conduct in the park is continuing the long-term monitoring program for reptiles and amphibians.
It's important to drive park speed limits at all times, including dawn and dusk.
You know what you gotta do.
Alright guys, we're in Petrified Forest. Just got here. Looks like most of it's kind of driving, but it's Petrified and the Painted Desert Forest National Park are kind of connected. So once we get to the painted section, designated section, then there'll be more walking trails. It's beautiful out though.
It's windy too, so it's gonna be a lot of because I'm not using a fancy microphone. No.
We'll walk down in there.
Pretty neat. So what are we doing now? Do your daily report. We got places
Yeah,
like
we're
the wind's blowing
going for a
apart.
little trail ride. I think it's the third exhibit.
Trail ride?
Trail walk.
What are we riding? Please inform me.
Yep. So it's a 1 mile round trip. Little loop. It looks like it's going to be paved, so I would say it's handicap accessible.
So if you come to the Petrified Forest / Painted Desert, and you're, well, if I can do it, a lot of people can do it. Be sure to get out and walk and experience it. Don't just drive through and fly by real fast. Ain't no sunshine. Why are you singing? Pretty nice. Great view.
To journey to manhood. Manhood going from boys. Well, I'm picturing it in my heart.
What is the Buffalo Dance School?
Huh?
What is the Buffalo Dance School? Is that for?
It's just, they used to do it before This is where the two boys start on their journey to reach.
Alrighty then. 56 I know the wind's bad. I'm sorry. So, you see the telephone poles? There. That used to be Highway 66. And it ran all the way down through there. I know it's windy. I apologize.
This is the only national park on 66. On 66.
Some of them don't have titles. Yep. There's the super duper car. Here's the old, I don't know if this is originally left here, but anyhow, here's the old iconic car that everybody comes and gets their picture with. Yeah, it's pretty neat. This could actually be restored. Huh. Somebody did some lead work if y'all body man. You can see right here. It's actually very beautiful looking welds. But anywho, this used to have a canvas top. It's one of your first convertibles. You slide this canvas top, close it. Pretty neat. I still see a flywheel. Still got a motor in it. I want to see a fire up. But anyway, see the telephone poles? Boop, 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 boop. That was where the original Highway 66 ran. Highway 66. Moving on. So we stopped at another, it's like a stoned hole in the ground. I'm fixing to see what it is. It says Kiva. Am I saying that right? But we're still in the park. The wind's really bad. So we stopped at this to see the pictures. What are petroglyphs?
Petroglyphs and some ruins.
Okay, then I don't know what that is. It don't say on the sign. Seems to be another one up here, so I don't know. If I see what it is, I'll show you. It's gonna be super bad. I'm gonna turn around and show you some ruins. Oh, wait a minute, not there. Right here. No signage to really tell much about it. I think when we stand that might have told about this. We didn't realize.
Well, the village said that the village at one time held over 200 people, and they lived here for over 100 years.
Yeah. I didn't realize we was already at the ruins, so my bad. We found the petroglyphs. I'm going to have to turn around and put you in the wind, so I apologize. Oh, I see a big picture of a foot. If you look close, right there. And if you'll bear with the wind, it's going to be something right. My runny nose. Right there. Found some more pictures and more wind. Or petroglyphs, whatever they're called. I just call them pictures. I don't know what they mean. They are of people, it looks like.
There's a bird eating a man.
Yeah, and you look down the bottom corner right there, there's another one.
And then he throws it into the water.
Yep. Little, what you call this building? Little information
Center?
Yeah, it's out here where the, what's this pull-off called? I can't remember nothing.
Puerto Pueblo.
Well, it's one of those little pull-offs as you drive through the park. Anyway, this little building has, information about the area and stuff they found and the people that lived here, and it's got, take time to stop and read it. Again, I'm sorry for the wind. What we're fixing to do?
Blue Mesa Trail.
It's a what?
It's a trail that goes down to the. These are the painted part of the national park. So it's about 1 mile, and it goes down and around, and we get to see some petrified wood. Mm-hmm. But it's really pretty.
Now I'm gonna turn you into. Oh, the wind quit blowing for a second. Here, I'm trying to. And it's like really, really far. We're gonna walk clear to the horizon over there.
No, we're going actually that way.
Boom. I don't know why you need to see that, but I felt like it. Here we go. We found some petrified dinosaur poo, or wood. I think it's what it is. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Oh, naturally, here comes the wind. Whee! If I don't have the camera on, the wind's not blowing. As soon as I turn it on, it's like. But we're walking this trail. She's up there hiding around the corner. And I'm gonna continue walking. And the wind's not blowing. There's gonna be a lot more wind, but I just want to show you. We've walked. How long have we been walking? About 20 minutes?
Yeah.
We was
16 minutes.
kind of up there in that area. I don't know exactly where it was at, but it was up there. We walked all the way down. We're kind of like down in the valley, if that's what you want to call it. If you're able, physically able, when you come here, you should do this. It's a nice sunny day. It's warm. It's been kind of windy. The wind's not blowing right now. That's the reason I turned the camera on, but
I think it's because we're in the valley too.
here's some good petrified wood, trees. Like them, what looks like rocks used to be wood. And it's scattered all out there. All them big rocks you're seeing is actually old trees, petrified wood. But just my personal opinion, just to walk, getting out here, enjoying nature, the sunshine, it's worth it. And
Oh, it's heavy.
and she's over here trying to scavenge for gold, or I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty neat because if you got, in my opinion, you got to really like be a history buff, which I love history. I'm more Civil War type history, but still, you know, I just sit here and think what all was going on here. You got the early settlers, or first the Indians probably, Native Americans. Then the early settlers come through, and then, you know, all the people's been here. And now we're here. Not doing quite the same thing they did, but we're here. It's pretty neat. And probably next year it may look different, because you can see the roads a lot. But it's pretty neat. Okay. We found a big one. It's pretty neat how it's just sitting on that little hump of sand. And here comes the wind. It wasn't blowing at all until I hit the button. It's like, oh, that's our cue to blow. Still pretty neat though. Yes, it is. So, we're still in the park. That's, where we're at? Painted Desert, is that where it's going? Anyway, we're sitting on the lookout. We done a few stops, did that little hike we just seen. Almost gone now, but she talked about eggs, so I made an egg sandwich, and she made an egg sandwich, and we're having lunch right here with a super awesome view. And petrified forest and painted desert. Yes, can't beat it. Well, can't even see you because the sun's got you. Okay, bye.